All right, super quick. What did you discover? I know that it was a leak. What's happening?
We get water from over there. It goes under the cement slab, comes over here, and then connects to this pipe here. And it broke underneath this cement slab in the fountain.
And you discovered all the water coming
There's
in.
a bunch of water here, so now I have to cut the line, bring it all the way around to here. There's no reason why there should be water here.
Squirrel. I'm so distracted by the hummingbird hovering here. He's like, I'm trying to eat. I'm trying to eat. What are you doing? What are you doing?
So what I think I'm going to do is just cut that off completely. Tap it. So anyway, it's a big, fat
Yeah, it is.
project.
Dang it.
It's a copper pipe, and it's down too deep.
Oh.
It eventually just
Oh, is that it?
started leaking. Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you found that by digging?
Yeah, like that deep.
Oh, man. That really stinks. All right. Well, I will check on you, and that
This
is...
would be probably a $5,000 job.
Oh, yuck. Oh, I see now. So the copper pipe down here. Bummers. This is why they call it being a home moaner, right, Chuck?
Well,
We're not going to moan, though.
no moaning.
No moaning here.
Your husband knows how to fix stuff. He's a home inspector.
That's right. What's your motto again? What is it?
Fix it. The Fix It channel.
What a nightmare. I wouldn't even have known where to begin, Chuck.
Right? Here comes the fun.
Yikes. That was the problem pipe right there, wasn't it?
Yep. Wasn't that fun? We're not even done. You want to see sparks?
I guess that's depending on your idea of fun. It's not my idea of fun. Sparks. Was that sparks?
Oh, it's electrical.
Oh, gosh. Was this your idea of fun? Guess I'm kind of hung up on that question. Was that a trick question?
Yeah. Look at all that fun.
You're down in the guts of the yard, right?
There's a lot of crappy work that was done,
Yeah.
so I got to redo it. Digging under trees.
Wow.
Digging on your knees.
How's it going?
Well, I'm glad the ground's wet.
Yeah, no kidding.
Could be a lot worse.
You're a trench digger today, huh?
Yep. Could be a lot worse.
So how could it be worse?
Ground could be rock hard.
Well, that's true. We did have a good rain recently.
Nah, this is from the leak.
Oh, that is from the leak?
Yeah, this
The whole
area is
thing?
wet. Yeah.
Oh, man. So that's been going on a while then.
A little while.
Wow.
Yeah, a little while. Everything's wet.
That's crazy. Well, you fixing it should help our water bill.
Yeah. All right, so the water's on.
Thank you.
I had to redo all of this,
Why?
all of it, because the solder broke and it was leaking.
Okay. The original was.
Yeah. And
And that comes in from the street?
then all the way down here, Doug had. Then they
Whoa.
ran a line there to the backyard.
Whoa.
Then I ran a line here to
Oh, I like that. You moved it. You moved it from there to there. That is so great in the
and then I
corner.
ran a line to our
Okay.
water front.
So it's all in the same place now.
And then I'll have a electric right here.
Wow, good job. That's a full day.
Oh yeah.
Morning.
Wow, is it still morning?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That one's gonna make me laugh for a while. Funny, not so funny, huh?
Yeah. So yeah, redoing all of it looks good, huh?
Yeah, it does.
My new valve,
Okay.
my new
Nothing's leaking, right?
no. Oh no,
That's the only way to know is dig it all up.
dig it all up. So
Ugh.
literally a week's worth of work because I had a leak underneath this cement slab,
Yeah.
and of course I had to do it because if I had to pay somebody, it'd be about 10 grand.
Yeah. Well, that's exactly why we do it.
Yep.
So you buried everything again.
You gotta move the electrical still.
Okay. Move some electrical.
And then I gotta take care of the watering system, pull up the line, so I gotta run all that again.
And then you said you ordered rocks for in here.
Rock's coming today.
Well, that'll be nice. A good time to
Yeah,
just.
3.5 ton.
Oh, I guess
And we
I'll.
got lifted over the wall
Oh.
in 5-gallon buckets.
There's the we.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. When that comes, I'll help you. That's gonna be really nice.
I need to pull more wire.
Okay. So I'm just holding it for him.
Ready?
Yep. Go ahead.
Alright, that's probably enough.
Okay. Move over there. Moving the electrical. And just like that, pow, in the same day, we got that done. I like that electrical box on here. Let's see what else.
So I just pour this one out. I'll have to fix the wall there, but then put this one in.
I like the location so much better.
There must be a hose fixed right there.
That's really nice. Really nice. Wow, good. That's a lot of moving stuff. Yeah, I like it. Wow. Rock and roll. I would say so.
Huh?
I would say so. Are you ready to rock and roll?
Can we make more noise?
Woo! Where's my hubby? He has gotten this all prepped. There he is. How's it going, hun? You're working on what?
Irrigation.
Irrigation. Okay.
Yeah.
And then rock goes down.
Yeah.
So we can get that off the street.
Yeah.
And you have a really good friend coming to help you.
Davi.
He's the best.
Yeah. He is.
I don't know who else volunteers to help you with this stuff.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Here's to good friends.